Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get it started. Very tough week because of the election inauguration in United States for the new president that happened this week. So market was waiting for that, and now it's out of the way. So next week, hopefully, we will have good volatility. All right, so the week started on the 18th, and on the 18th, you can see this is the only trade I have, excuse me, Euro Aussie from 7 minute chart. Like I said, the market was waiting, so not the daily ranges were shrunk, and the market was not moving, uh, you know, big. So small trades, right? 40, 50, 60 pip, you'll see small shots. Next week hopefully we will have some big trade, and on the 19th again Euro Aussie. I'm hitting our Euro Aussie especially nowadays, so you will see more and more trading. Euro Aussie, from 20 minute I had it from here, right? And then when it was here on my other account, I took a 7 minute entry again right here and went all the way to the upside, and that entry is right here. So first entry that I showed you from 20 minute chart was from here, and then the second was from here, and then they both went up all the way. And then on the 19th, pound Nuzi again was going to the upside. Nice entry here, entry all over the place. You can see this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, and this one and this one. So this system gives you a lot of entries, and this is that day, and then this is the previous day, and this is the previous day. So in one day, you have like at least one or two entries every day. Each pair will give you on a 20 minute chart. 7 minute chart, you have several entries. All of these small one, these are 7 minute entries. This one, this one, this I mean this is the 20 minute entry, but this is 7 minute entry. Right? So and then move on, and on the 19th, pound Aussie again. Like I said, small trades. Pound Aussie usually gives 150 pip trade, but this is only for 50 pip, 50 plus 53, 54, something like that. Euro Nuzi a little bit better, 70 pip, beautiful trade, beautiful entry. This was the entry, and then this was the entry, and this was the entry before I closed. Because the market was not moving too much, so I didn't want to wait and just closed it here. It was a slow time anyway. Then pound USD on the 20th, nice entry here, 90 pip, everything. And now Euro Aussie 7 minute chart, it went up. Then it was actually doing the wave four. I'm gonna make a special video for only for covering Euro Aussie after this video. How beautifully it was moving, and according to my plan. And first I went up with it, and then came down with it, and then went up again with it. So this is a sell entry here for 85 pip all the way to the downside as wave B of wave 4. Then it went up for wave C. So I'll show you that trade later. So pound yen from 7 minute on the 21st, and 50 pip here. I was up more, but came down here on me. So now Euro Aussie, after dropping to the downside, then started to go up for wave four, wave C of wave four. Right? Wave four is like ABC correction. If it's flat, if it's going to make a triangle, then you have extra two legs. But ABC, so the C leg going to the upside, and this is what it is. And then this one, both entries, and this one an entry, and then it went up much higher. It went up all the way to 80 actually, 58, 80, 80. I think 57, 80. Sorry. So this I closed it on 57, 16, right? So actually it hit this level here, 57.21. So I said maybe it's gonna drop here, give me another entry, and then I'll get in again. But it just went straight up to 58, 57, 68, 70. Anyway, that happens. Pound CAD on the 21st. You can see it's beautiful entry here, 75 pip to the upside. And that's about it. These are the trades that I had. I think I had a couple of them more, but the charts are not here. They're here, there somewhere. So anyway, so these are, the trade. The reason they're showing is that all the setup are the same. So this system gives you consistently, good setups, and there are bad setups as well. But there's a way to filter them out. The timing, and then the way these MAs are setting up. So yeah, these are the trades, and this is the Magic IB system at work. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, you want to get the system, then go on my website, so myforestmagicweb.com, and subscribe and get it. Today is, almost Friday is ended just now, Saturday morning. Get it. You have Saturday and Sunday to prepare the charts, get ready, and then trade like this from Monday. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. By the way, this is just want to show you that this is my that channel, the Telegram channel, where I constantly post all of that, right? And you see here, like I said, that EA is in fourth wave, right? And according to my 40-minute chart, and may go up from here to finish wave C, and that's where I had that last long. And then see, this is the chart that I had it made on 16th January. Let me show you if you can see, and this is supposed to go there, and it went up nicely there, right? And doing so, and then it's supposed to come down, and it already started. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend. I was showing, I think this was the screen that I was showing. Yeah, okay. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.